The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Cantonese-style steak transforms affordable beef into a nostalgic Friday night treat. The meat, pounded and kneaded with bicarbonate of soda, becomes meltingly tender. It's seared quickly, then coated in a glossy, addictive gravy of sweet soy, peppery heat, ketchup, and Worcestershire sauce. This rich, sticky glaze creates a distinctively Chinese restaurant flavor, savory, sweet, and perfect for spooning over fluffy rice. For the steak, fillet steak 500g as desired, salt 1/2 teaspoon as desired, sugar 1/2 teaspoon as desired, bicarbonate of soda 1 teaspoon as desired, light soy sauce 1 1/2 teaspoon as desired, tapioca flour 2 tablespoons as desired, egg 1 small beaten as desired, water 6 tablespoons as desired, Worcestershire sauce 1 tablespoon as desired, cooking oil 5 tablespoons as desired. For the gravy, water 1/4 cup as desired, salt 1/4 teaspoon as desired, sugar 3 teaspoons as desired, Worcestershire sauce 1 tablespoon as desired, tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon as desired, sesame oil 1/2 teaspoon as desired, pepper 1/4 teaspoon as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Cut and tenderize the steak. Clean the fillet steak and cut it into 12-14 pieces, cutting across the grain. Using the back of a chopper, pound the pieces on both sides to tenderize them. In a bowl, combine the salt, sugar, bicarbonate of soda, light soy sauce, tapioca flour, and beaten egg to form the marinade. 3. Marinate the steak. Add the steak pieces to the marinade and knead the meat for at least 5 minutes, adding the water gradually so the batter is absorbed. Lastly, add the Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of the cooking oil and knead once more. Leave the meat in the marinade for at least 3 hours, the longer the better. Tbsp. 4. Tbsp. Make the gravy. Mix together the water, salt, sugar, Worcestershire sauce, tomato ketchup, sesame oil, and pepper until thoroughly combined. Set aside. Cooking steps. 1. Fry the steak. Heat the remaining 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a frying pan over high heat. Fry the steak 6 pieces at a time, each side should take no more than 1 minute. Turn once and remove the pieces from the pan while they are still about half cooked. They will finish cooking in the gravy. 2. Cook the gravy. In the same pan, pour in the gravy mixture and cook, stirring, until it boils. Let the gravy boil for 2-3 minutes to thicken and become glossy. 3. Coat and serve. Return the pieces of steak to the pan and toss well so every piece is evenly coated in the glossy gravy. Serve at once.